In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Joe Brown's discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Joe Brown's discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called couponfollow.com and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this one with 10% off your next purchase, all you have to do is select show coupon code from right here, and this is the discount code. You can copy the promo code from right here, and you can apply this promo code on your next purchase in order to get this 10% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called Marie Clary, and right here we also have some promo codes that can provide us a discount. For example, if you want to get this one with up to 10% discount, all you have to do is select get code right here. This is the promo code. You can select copy from right here and you can use this promo code on your next order in order to get that up to 10% discount on your next purchase. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.